Hey everyone, Model Man Frank here. Just a kind of short update on the Club Cub. As you can see, I've put on some skin and I started to put the monocoat on, the monocoat covering. I got the tail, I had to take the tail off and I glued the tail back on. It's actually nice and stiff now. It was very loose. It's still a little loose now, but it's a lot stiffer than it was before. I was about to, actually I'm going to do it right now, hook up the servo control arms, control rods. I found out what type of kit this is. This is called a, this is a kit from Rodak Hobbies. I don't know, I found the model on there, measured the wingspan, and found that it was the same. Something I noticed from something I noticed from the Cadito was that when the plane took off and the motor was spinning, I think I had this motor, as you notice, it's off-centered. It's not perfectly centered. It's actually cocked to the right. I know it's to counter the forces of the motor turning to the left. So what I did on this one, this is actually a motor mount that I found in a box of parts. I don't know where the motor mount came from, but we have a pickle jar at work at the model club, and I put a couple of dollars in the pickle jar and got this motor mount. It's a steel motor mount, so I think it'll work just fine. I think it's, for what it's going to be used for, it's going to be for this plane. Got the servos installed. I gotta cover the wing next, but I've got to install the servos first because you know, it's kind of flimsy in there. I'm going to strengthen the wing a little bit more, probably enclose this area here to make more of a stiffer type wing. Finish covering this, put the wheels on. I've already epoxied the landing gear strut on, and the plane is pretty much almost ready to go flying. I'll be doing some tests, taxiing around here in the driveway next, and make sure that everything's working perfectly, and then first flight. We'll see how it goes. But I'm going to make a couple more videos on this one. The plane that you see over on this side, I'll start a video series on this one. This is the Sterling's Piper Tri-Pacer. As many of you remember, Sterling made a couple of really good kits, some really great planes. I've had that kit for a very, very long time. I also got a Sterling Corsair. That will be a full video series when I do it. And the next video, I have to update you guys on the Bird of Time. I have done some more work on it. I just haven't been able to make a video about it because I've been enjoying my flying time. It's summertime here. You know, flying's been really good. So, been busy with work, life as we know it. You know, things like that. So, this is just a little update. I hope this. Hey, really important. Thank you to all my subscribers. 132 subscribers I have now. It's so happy that people actually find my content interesting. My love of aviation and model airplanes. I do want to make a video, do a live video, either on Instagram or on YouTube. So if anybody would like to follow, what should I talk about? I love aviation history, and I love naval aviation history. I love Air Force aviation history, civil aviation history. I like all types of that type of history, you know, even Gulf War history. First Gulf War, Second Gulf War, things like that. And even World War II. I'm I'm really into World War II. If you want to hear us a little bit about my grandfather, him being a pioneer of Soviet aviation in Cuba, I can even talk about some of those things. So please leave your comments and questions down below, and like and share the video. That's it for today. I'll put out some more information on this one and what's going on with it pretty soon. Model Man Frank out.